Hey everybody, it's Nick, Hawk Pro Detailing, Heber City, Utah. Here to talk about the Brush Pro 10 counter-rotating brush machine. Should you spend $2,000 on this? The jury or verdict or whatever, it's still out. But I have been using it and I've found it to be very effective for some things around cars. This is part of my ongoing real-time test. Does the Brush Pro perform well with dog hair? In the professional carpet cleaning world, that's what it's for. They use it for dog hair all the time. Getting to the core of the fiber, knocking it all up so you can vacuum it up easily. So does it work? Let's test it out today. So far the Brush Pro has been kind of hit or miss in cars. Once I used this enough, the brushes kind of dulled down a little bit and I feel like it's safer. I did try them on some car seats the other day and they did abrade a little bit more than I wanted to. So I'm going to stay away from any car seats with the Brush Pro unless they're like truck, seat covers. But carpeting has been good so far lately. I'm just a little bit worried about this fabric being kind of sensitive. So we're going to be very quick and just see. So what I want to know is, did we just fluff the pile or did we damage the carpet? And I'm fairly certain that we just fluffed the pile here. Some of this is going to be dirt that was still on the brushes from my previous job. I plan on extracting this anyway. I think if I'm gentle with this, it's going to do a great job of removing the dog hair, because I only see 1 or 2 dog hair here. And once this thing dries out, it'll be nice. Let's keep going. This is Flex with Citrusol. This is a pretty heavy duty pre-spray. And I'm just using this because I know this vehicle. I know that the kids and dogs are a real factor. And I just want to do the best clean I can. So just kind of getting my pre-spray onto the carpet. It's high alkaline, so it's going to clean very well, but it has to be extracted out with a neutralizing rinse. We'll let that dwell for 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. So it's been about 15 minutes. I've let the pre-spray dwell. It's still moist. You don't want a high alkaline pre-spray to dry up on you, so I don't like to work in too big of an area. Just for grins, let's go for it. Let's try the Brush Pro to agitate in the pre-spray as well. I really want to show you this one just in case it comes out. And we're going to use hot water extraction, don't worry. So, we're going to get there. So heavy. What do you guys think? Sorry, I'm dropping that down. Got to put it in this tray. It's too expensive not to take care of it. Why don't we extract these carpets? Remember there was a stain there? Still a little dark. Let's go for the extraction now. You definitely don't want to over wet the carpet, but you also want to give the rinse a chance to get in there. So give it plenty of dry passes, but definitely don't be afraid to kind of go a little bit slowly if you're really trying to get the dirt out. I can just see the darkness disappearing as I do this. Because you're extracting, but you're also rinsing. You're throwing a lot of water in there to interact with what you just created, and you're just trying to get everything that you've just messed with out of there and leave the carpet in a pH state so it won't attract soil. You guys, this is pretty crazy. I don't know if I can believe my eyes here. I'm going both directions on the carpet. I'm not fluffing the pile in any certain way to try to gain these results. Look at that. You guys, look at that. Did the Brush Pro work? Well, so did hot water extraction. CHAT or chat, we learned about it in carpet cleaning technician school. There are 4 important things in cleaning: chemicals, heat, agitation, and time. They're all important for cleaning carpets. If you don't have one of them, you usually need more of something else. If you don't have heat, you might need more chemicals, for instance, right? If you don't have agitation, you might need more chemicals or heat, depending on the fiber, the moment, etc., etc. The Brush Pro got into these fibers. The chemicals did the rest, but the A in chat, the agitation was insane. Holy crap, I'm not moving these fibers any direction. They're not bleeding into each other as I do that. Those are real results, you guys. Holy crap. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. If you thought this content was cool, I want you to go above now and let's keep talking. I've got a lot of videos about carpet cleaning directly for auto detailers. I'll see you there.